We are at a different park today. Um, Libraries are a great place to come on a Sunday when you're urban dwelling. But you will also come across people when you're urban dwelling that you don't often see on the open road. And this young man I've seen him around some of the places I go, whether I'm sleeping at a Cracker Barrel or I'm sleeping at a Lowe's. I won't show his face, but he's one of the many that I see struggle. Like the woman who lives at the bathroom or in the bathroom at the one park I go to, that they don't seem to move her along. But anyway, when you dwell in a urban dwell, then there's different places you can go, and I'm at a library. Hi, Lily. She was just squirrel chasing, so she's all worked up. But we're going to hang out here today. It's a rainy, stormy day. And typically there's just not a lot of people on a Sunday. And in between the raindrops, we get out and walk. It's very important to stay healthy when you dwell. And watch people get creative. Yeah. Pretty. I guess anything can be a canvas, right? Our life, our vehicles, thoughts. That's what makes this world go around. Oh, and there's sounds of the city.